Hi everyone. We have created this application which is related to school applications, and my team has inserted 150 students in these applications, and I need to test all the students is their login working properly or not. So this is big challenge how I test all the students login is working properly or not. If I manually login and again log out and again login, it will take a long time because we have long database. 159 students is in our database, so I was a bit confused about it. So I thought how I test this, then I think about the Cypress, and using the Cypress I will test all the user login, is their login working properly or not. So let's start the Cypress. So I will use Laravel Cypress and just follow this step. This is very easy to set up with Laravel. So just copy this command, open new tab, run these commands. I will skip this video for now till the step is completed. So here is this first step is done. Now we will run second command. This step also completed. Now I run this command, it will create the folder. If you see now, we just have changes in composer.json and package.json, so no any other changes. But when I run this command, it will create some file. So here it's the test cases updated. So I need to run force. So it's created the test case here, and if I run this, we need to run this command. Oh, so I'm getting error here. So the error is what is okay, package adjustments. Okay, I need to copy this and go to the package JSON type, just replace this and rerun again. So here Cypress is open in the new tab. So this is example test which is come from the test integration, this file. This is just a dummy file. So if I change login here and I try to run this file just for test, is it working correctly or not. So this is working fine. Test. Okay, this text is not available in this tab, any Laravel text. So I just comment this out and rerun again. So test is pass, so that means it's working fine. Now the big challenge is here, I need to export this data in JSON format. If I export like this, it will export all the data. So I just need to export this data, and also if I export like this, it will not export as a JSON, but we need to this data in JSON format. So how I will do this, I just run the command select. I just need ID, name and username. So ID, name, user name from users table where I need to check the admit status. In those records, which status is yes. So I just test admit status is equal to yes and run this command. So we have 122 students whose status is admitted. So I just click here and command all and go to the bundle, copy, and copy JSON file. Sorry, copy JSON. Now I need to use these students, so I will just create here users.json and paste all the student here. I will remove these data attribute and also codes from the below. Just remove this and format this JSON. So we need to test all these data record. Is login working fine or not? So I will create the one file inside the integration users.cy.js. Now I will copy the and paste this, and here all user login test. Just check in browser that those files should be appear here. So this is not coming here, so I need to rerun this again. So if you see here, the second test file is appear here. Now we need to get the all these students inside our users cy.js file. So we just do here const users is equal to required, need to go outside, then slash and user.js. Yes, this is correct. Okay, now I just need to get all the users here, users dot for each user. This is fine. User. Now I will define the test case. Just it, and I will use this association successfully login user, and the username I will pass here user dot name. Okay, this is fine. If I go and refresh here, just click here, all the student names should be appear here. Yeah, all the name students should be appear here. This is going to fail, so I will stop this. So now I will redirect to login page first. cy dot visit slash login. Okay, then refresh. Yes, so login page is here. Now I need to type the email, username and password, and login, and again log out. We can skip the logout part. We can just if the login success, we can navigate to again login page for the next user. So we need to type the username here. So how we can do this? So just click here and select this and copy this. Now here, copy paste here, just confirm should. Okay, then type user dot username. As I told you before, we'll do same step, copy and paste here, should, and type. As I told you before, passport is same for all the users, so I will just type passport. Now username and password is here. Now we need to click on this button. If I click here and I select this and type click, okay, everything, I think everything is fine. Just try to run this command, this test again. Okay, login showing, password enter. Yes, login success. Now we are in dashboard. Okay, we're getting the error, so stop this. Okay, how we can fix this? Just go to the support file and index. We need to add one line because in this application, uh, uh, when we enter in the dashboard, maybe it has a console error. So I will ignore the console error in test case. So how we can do this? Cypress dot one. Yes, this one. Then error. Okay, and just return here false. So it will ignore the console error. Okay, so now again run this. Yes, navigate to user login page, enter username and password. Yes, dashboard is login. Now it should go to the second user. Still page is loading, that's why it's taking time. You can see here the page load, but it will redirect automatically in second user. As you can see here, first login test is completed with success, and it's login second user, trying to check the second user, so it's working fine. So I will complete all the so here guys, all the test is completed, and it's test all the students, 122 students in just 17 minutes, and you can see no any test is failed, so login is working fine. If the any test will failed, it will appear here. So here is all the 122 is completed successfully, all the tick marks. So thank you guys. If you like this video, just like and subscribe. If it's tutorial related to the Cypress, just comment in the comment section. I will try to prepare the video about the Cypress in detail. Thank you.